And Tamil Nadu start in a circle. What a team, what a game. Both captain in the center match referee. Cornea captain of Tamil Nadu and other side Kerala captain. देखते हैं who will be called first. Cornea will call. Fine start with the toss and spin the coin and won the toss. Kerala captain and choice court Kerala. Kerala skipper won the toss and put red for Tamil Nadu. Match is starting. Yes, Cornea captain of Tamil on the red and the very static moment of the Kerala in the defense and Totas try to off the mark with the Totas in a style Tamil Nadu. So how many marks will you want to give here of Tamil Nadu skipper Cornea, Devasri with Vindhya and Janyasiri. Key of Tamil, number 11 Kerala, little bit in pressure. Shape came back without any addition into the total. So we'll have to open account Kerala, but try to Vindhya, tall girl and high confidence, number 6, as same as copy of Kartika Express. You are missing at this time Kartika, Suji and Kavya. I know very well. What would you say about Kartika Express, Tiger, Suji and Kavya bonus? And second time, first point taken by the touch point and second bonus. So different time, different types. Tamil Nadu takes the point and it's very good thinking. Team coach Rajesh ji doing super work with the team, no doubt about it. Now Kerala on the attack. बहुत दबाव में इस समय Kerala try to bonus, but score stealing continue and under pressure continue. Now Devasiri or number 2 Devasiri, Dum Deva. Good attempt again on the left corner. Try to bonus. We will have to wait and see signal of umpire. Bonus and third point goes to for Tamil. So score now Tamil Nadu 3 and do or die Kerala on 0. Number 11 tall girl, but pressure or running attack and long hand. Maybe touch point is there. Yes, it is. Number 12 given out and first point goes to for Kerala on the do or die. So finally of the mark Kerala 1, Tamil Nadu 3. Defense is a very important part of the game and Cornea a very good conversation with the team and crucial captain. One more bonus addition into the Tamil Nadu score now. Tamil moves on 4, Kerala on 1. So 3 point behind in the pre-quarter. Are you looking? Oh, corner to corner. Chen, Kerala Bay Chen, big under pressure and power of defense. Using mind, using skill of Tamil Nadu defense and number 6 Devasiri or losing Tamil Nadu here first time in the red and first point goes to for Kerala by defense and overall second point, but we each point both side, bonus and point other side. So 5-2 score now. 6-2, sorry. Tamil Nadu score now 6 and Kerala on 2. 4 point lead. Starting time of the match now near about 4 minutes game have completed, but now Vindhya Janyasiri, I think number 11, a very honest player. Safe return without any risk, without any score. Score 6-2 favor in Tamil. You are most welcome all the time. You can ask your question and solid catch taken in the center. What's your question on excellent catch of Tamil Nadu? Welcome all of you. But Kerala also a very good team, but now under pressure against Tamil. Oh, flying 2-point big red, and now continue growing his score. Continue. So now 9, just past the double score, and now Tamil Nadu goes to in double figure. Redder is out. Gentle and great push by the defender of Tamil Nadu on the chest left corner. Good consistency and of number of 7 defender in a row. And now number 11 Jayana Siri flying once again. Happy journey. Air India same as and soft landing at Tamil Nadu airport in number of 11th point. But all continue stealing on to Kerala. 9 point behind at current time. Second last player of Kerala, number 10. Big under pressure. Oh, taken a double thigh attack and good control of the hand. Number 7, Super Burak in defense. And last player, Janasiri will want to all out here of Kerala. Yes, last player and accepted all out Kerala here. First all out. And it's 3 point goes to for Tamil Nadu. But how many marks will you want to give here after all out? Tamil Nadu on score 15, but continue stealing on 2 Kerala. Big under pressure. Really, reaching here down the track and Dubki as same as Pardeep Narwal. We will have to wait and see 2 or 3 point here looking. 3 point super ad for Kerala. It's first super ad. Kerala on 5 after all out. Slowly confidence shot flying, but brilliant in the defense. Second time taken Kerala and point for Kerala. Super tackle. Oh, first time Tamil Nadu in super tackle. What would you think in previous match against Vidya Bharati? 10 super taken Tamil Nadu, and again we'll want to audience super tackle for Tamil Nadu side. You are hoping continue, but missing also Karthik Express, Tiger Suji time out. Jain Siri with the full confidence. Score now 15-6. Tamil Nadu a very important radar in SGFI 69th under 19 school girls kabaddi championship at Himachal Pradesh, Mr. Gajanan. And thank you so much for connecting us. Super tackle on. 3 defender is there, and we'll want to again return safe here Kerala. Passing time Kerala, but behind in the score sheet. 9 point behind, and Kerala passing time, it's unorthodox. Not a positive thing of Kerala. Tamil Nadu will want to passing time is better, but Kerala side not so good for passing time. Do or die and super tackle. So both side pressure, a tough exam, critical situation, super tackle and radar. Do or die and super tackle. Tamil Nadu continue hoping for super tackle. Oh yes, taken finally number 4 and first super tackle in pre-quarter match, and couple of points goes to for Tamil. 2 point here, and Tamil Nadu moves on 17. So score now Tamil Nadu 17 and Kerala on 6. Oh, running attack, try to bonus, only single point maybe. With the bonus plus point. Again 2 point, so 19. Tamil Nadu, but Kerala is stealing on 6. 6-19, 13 point behind. Big defense. Oh, taken again. Second angle hold on the right corner. Back to back. And perfect and fantastic work in the defense Tamil. Vindhya Siri, I think, on the red. Vindhya Siri or Devasiri. Vindhya, Devasiri and Janasiri. 4 defender. Now situation, but what a defense by the 4 defender. Kerala also very aggressive in the defense. Team coach continue signal for the confidence, motivation. Now Kerala moves on 8, but before that Tamil Nadu on 20. T20, 2020. Mahi Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Score now 20. Tamil Nadu and 7 Kerala. Minus point for Kerala because Kerala on behind. In this score, timeout. Team coach Rajesh, the good guidance and fantastic work with the team. Unbelievable. Tamil Nadu outstanding, continue unbeaten performance in this championship. After timeout break, Zain Nasiri on the attack. So score now 20 Tamil Nadu and 7 Kerala. 13-point lead at this time for Tamil Nadu. Goes to 4 without any risk. Number 9 trying here, but not as easy 1, 2, 3 or ABC. Defense of Tamil Nadu. Powerful, strong, good combination, good conversation, good consistency. 7, Paleng 7, Cornea captain. What a captaincy you can say about Cornea captaincy. A good raider and outstanding captain. Waiting for do die. Yes, it is now do or die. So again under pressure Kerala. Second time try to Tamil Nadu for super tackle. Sorry, not super tackle, but do or die. 5 defender is there. A very tough defense. 4 or 5 defender. Taken double thigh attack and easily taken by Tamil Nadu defense. 1 point addition into the Tamil score. Tamil Nadu on cloud 9. No doubt about the score. 21-7. Do or die this side also. But now Tamil Nadu on attack. Number 6 will want to copy of Kartika. Oh, shelf out, and it's a gift for Tamil Nadu. Independence Day gift, I think. 26 January, and yes, it is addition into the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu on 72. Score now Tamil Nadu 72 and stealing Kerala on 7 only. So 15 point behind Kerala. So big lead. Highest lead in this match so far. Or continue. Lead also growing. As same as Vande Bharat Express, Kartika Express, Tiger Kavya, Suji. Oh, pursuit. Do something here. We will have to wait and see. Yes, it is. Point goes to for Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu के लिए यहाँ point जाता हुआ. बहुत दबाव में है इस वक्त केरला. 2 ही खिलाड़ी कोर्ट पे हैं. मुश्किल हालात में हिमाचल प्रदेश की पावनधरा से मैं गजानंद लगातार आपके साथ. आशा है कि आप अच्छे से देख पा रहे होंगे इस समय. ऐसे मैच के नज़ारे हो गए वारे नारे बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. कोशिश करने वालों का भी हार नहीं होती. सॉलिड डिफेंस एंड 1 point again by the defense and last player. And second time Kerala on the all out stage. Yes, it is accepted and Tamil Nadu 3 point. Second time Kerala all out. Quarter century brings up for Tamil Nadu. 26 score now after second all out. Tamil Nadu 27 and Kerala only 7. 20 point behind. What a match, what a lead. And it's very important for the quarter final. Tamil Nadu a big challenge for any team. Kerala, how to control of raider, how to control match. A 20 point behind Kerala. Pressure, no doubt about body language saying here, and you can read here body language of Kerala. Passing time, half time. It's a half time. Change the court, Tamil Nadu. Welcome. Second half starting, and Kerala need to risk continue and big game for comeback. But Tamil Nadu defense in second half. Much better, much strong. One super taken in first half, but in second half try to. But 7, 6, 5 defender, no need. And you might watch a super tackle, I think, because Kerala continue mistaking in the defense or rather also. Oh, solidly taken. Fine start in second half, Kerala with the point. These type defense continue need Kerala. Number 2, face expression is vigilance. चेहरे झुके हुए हैं, down the face, and you can watching here, I think, defense of Tamil Nadu. What a moment, what a game, what a strategy. Safe comeback without any point. Number 6, you are missing, I think, Kartika. Number 6, Vindhya, I think, on the red, or Devasiri. Then you remember Kartika, Indian Express international player, or one more point. Second half, first point goes to for Tamil Nadu. So score now, Kerala 8 and Tamil Nadu 78. Do or die. Tamil Nadu in a row. A big challenge for Kerala. What will happen? Kerala, how goes with your mind? What are you thinking? Try to bonus, but not clear, I think. Just pass on the... Oh, taken right corner. Vindhya or Janyasiri. Full marks goes to for right corner. Janyasiri or Vindhya. Number 2, Devasiri. Dam Deva. Deva ho Deva. Score now, Kerala only 8 and Tamil Nadu on 29. 21 point, big difference between these two. Second half you are watching here. Passing time, no damage done. Safe again. We'll wait for do or die. But it's no second red, I think, no do or die. Number 11, Janyasiri. Oh, yes, it is. One more point. 2 point. Couple of touch. So now 31. So highest day of in a month, 31. Same score of Tamil Nadu. So you are smiling. Continue. Thank you so much for smile, and you can remember me with the emoji and stickers of a smile with the comments. You are most welcome, all our guys. Devasiri safe coming again without any risk. 26 seconds finish after came back. So it's a good thinking in the half time, I think, conversation with the coach Rajesh ji. But Kerala continue under pressure. Oh, mistaking here. Number 2, Devasiri. First time losing by the defense, I think, in second half, or point goes to for Kerala. Kerala on double figure. 9. Only 9, sorry. 9-31. 72 point behind Kerala. But Janyasiri, 4 defender is there. Safe came back without any addition. ये है सूरत हाल इस वक्त हिमाचल प्रदेश की, इस तरह से जैसा आप देख पा रहे हैं. कॉर्निया कप्तान आ रही हैं रेड पे. डू और डाई, डू और डाई. Oh, taken. Yes, it is try to very good, excellent effort of Tamil Nadu, but solid defense of Kerala. Point goes to for Kerala. And now finally Kerala in double figure. He moves on 10, but Tamil Nadu on 31. 21 point behind, and it's good signature for Tamil Nadu. Cornea, sensational player. but no need any risk here. Try to invite for the any mistake by for defender, and suddenly came back. But second half, some time are remaining. I think 7 or 8 minutes remaining. Do or die. Kerala, big under pressure. Oh, what a defense! What a in C shape. Oh, control good, and both hand taken easily, and brilliant defense of Tamil Nadu. Full marks, I think you will want to give of Tamil Nadu, but good try of Kerala also. But a point goes to for Tamil. Now score 32. 32. So teeth in your mouth. 32. Same score of Tamil Nadu. What would you think, and what's your comment on this score 32? Same as teeth your mouth 32 or same score, but losing here Kerala on 11. Suddenly after D line touch came back Kerala hoping for the defense side, but might come back in this match Kerala. Near about 6 minutes remaining here. Oh, touch point finally. A very clever. And now 33, double 3 Tamil Nadu score, and double 1 Kerala. What a score. Kerala score 11 and Tamil Nadu 33. 72 points behind. Big difference between these two teams. Tamil Nadu continue unbeaten performance, and really a challenge for any team. At Himachal Pradesh 69th National School Girls Kabaddi Championship at Himachal Pradesh. And Mr. Gajanand, you are most welcome connecting us. You are watching live telecast and video coverage also after finish the match. Never forget, we'll want to watch. Now 33-11 score favoring Tamil. Do or die. Oh, touch point on the corner, number 7. After a long time, Kerala taken 1 point. Now on 12. But Cornea with the left corner running attack. What a step, superb step, and beautiful game of Tamil Nadu. Which player your favorite player? I will want to ask you, and I will follow and I will reply after the finish match. But here now 6 defender in a row, as same as C safe. Now I think near about 5 minutes remaining here. Smiling continue. Tamil Nadu so much happy here. And Tamil Nadu All India Open Tournament in this month. You can also all match on same score videos. Tamil Nadu won the first prize of 10 lakh, and second Shakti Brothers Tamil Nadu and second team. But now at Himachal Pradesh SGFI Under 19 School Kabaddi Championship. Last 5 minutes remaining now. Oh, taken. Oh, now Cornea. Super duper. Great catch by Tamil Nadu. Cornea conversation with the Devasiri number 2. And Jainasiri also is there. Dum Dum Devasiri. Super tackle on. Again, first time Kerala will want to super tackle, but not easy as easy. 1, 2, 3. We will have to wait and see. Tamil Nadu, no need to any risk. Coming safe here. Number 9. Safe return. And now 3 minutes remaining here, I think. Not much time in this match. Super tackle continue on. Kerala big under pressure. Now score Tamil Nadu 35 and Kerala only 12. 23-point big lead right now. Tamil Nadu pocket. Do die and super tackle. So now critical situation for both sides. A very, very tough exam as same as IS. Who will the clear and correct the exam? But Tamil Nadu. And now finally correct the exam of Tamil Nadu Raider in the do or die and taken one more point into the Tamil Nadu total edition. Now score 36-12. 24-point behind Kerala in very, very poor situation. Solid defense. Wall of Tamil Nadu. Strong. It's Ambuja Cement. Made by Ambuja Cement Tamil Nadu, and last player of the Kerala passing time. And again on the all out stage, 2 times in the first half Kerala all out, and third time in the overall match Kerala all out. Yes, it is 3-point goes to for Tamil. So score now Tamil Nadu 40 and Kerala only 12. 28-point lead right now Tamil Nadu, and match finishing line just past the time. Best of luck, many congratulations Tamil Nadu. Have a great day. Most welcome for quarter final tomorrow in the morning.